Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm introducing you new collection from Chanel. I have two huge palettes. They are $90, but don't be scared. This palette you can use for face, you can use for eyes. Look at how big this blushes and eyeshadow. I already saw many people using this eyeshadow palette, but I never see like look really in love, and I decided, you know what, I'm going somewhere tonight and let me create this look. I start with natural look, and then because I found out I'm going to a little concert tonight, I'm gonna extra pop. And this is palette, it's $90. This is palette I'm gonna use today. It's number 957 Tendresse. It's so pretty. We have here little highlighter, bronze, blushes. We have a little bit shimmer here, and rest of it's matte. Then also I will show you how to use cream blush, and this is new blush from Chanel. And in this video I have little gift giveaway for you. Okay, hold on tight. I hope you guys excited. I hope you know what it is. If you're not, I will show you, I will tell you what it is. But first, you need to subscribe my Katya Beauty Style channel right here. Please give me thumbs up. Please give me, I will say, like, comments below. Follow me on Instagram, and also share any of my posts on Instagram, tag me, and one of you will receive this beautiful Chanel hair collection. Yes, look at this, it's so pretty. It can be yours. You must live in United States. Follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Subscribe my YouTube channel, message me on Instagram, and you know what, let's put, let's say you will message me Chanel giveaway, and then I knew you subscribe. Of course, I can see who subscribe, who follow me, and share any of my posts. Let's start. Let me show you how I create this beautiful look, because it is beautiful, right? Okay, give me thumbs up and let's start. Here we go. We have a two palette. This one, it will be perfect for me, and it's number 957 Tendresse, and in this we have here beautiful blush, bronze, highlighter, and again remember this palette you can use for face and eye. This one it's 958, and this is a little bit will be too deep for my face, I feel, but these palettes are not so pigmented. Let me I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use for my face, and I can use this for my eyes, and this will be very easy and simple application. And I also have a brand new lip color, face color. It's a blush, Rouge Phrase, I believe. Let me show you on my hand. It is beautiful, looks like a cream blush. I'm not sure if I like it how it looks on my hand, but let's apply. I'm kind of a little bit pale right now. Okay, I'm gonna use beauty blender, no brush. Beauty blender is your best friend. I'm not gonna apply on my face, because I have so far right now my skincare, foundation, and I feel a little bit my eyebrows. Okay, let's put this on my beauty blender and see how it's gonna go on my face. It looks really natural. It's not much color, but because I am like I'm level 2, 2.5, it is very pretty. And my foundation, it's a matte foundation, and this is actually very pretty, give me nice beautiful glow. Okay, we're finishing with my cream blush. Again, it's very pretty and I do like it, but the trick to use beauty blender, not finger, not brush, beauty blender. I feel I still a little bit pale, and now let's use this palette. We're gonna use this color, and I using Chanel brush, and this is its contour brush 102 number. Okay, let's bring a color to my face. And again, 1, 2, 3. This is how you apply this bronze. So far, this palette, it's not too pigmented. Don't be scared. You are pre-apply product more and more on your brush as much you want, because again, it's not too pigmented item or palette. Finish with bronze. Do I like it? Yes, but I wish it's a little bit pigment. Again, it's not much pigment here, but if you're not makeup artist, I think it will be perfect for you. Now, you know what? Let's use this beautiful highlighter. Right here, it's a bronze. And now let me show you highlighter. Right here it's highlighter, and actually very pretty. It's like a peachy gold, very pretty. And this color, I'm just gonna put little bit right here, and I pushing close to my hairline. Also little bit right here. And now it's time for use blush, and I'm gonna start with this color first. It's like a beautiful peachy color, and we will see how pigmented this is. Blush really pretty. Again, it is very soft, very natural, but remember, after 40 I want to look young, I want to look fresh. What do you think? And now let me show you one more color. And you know what, I'm gonna use this color too. I'm gonna just put little bit in my brush, little bit soft, and I'm just gonna put little bit close to my hairline. My face is done. It's very soft, very natural. And now let's do the eyes. I'm gonna use Chanel eye primer and on the entire my eyelid, and then we're gonna use palette. First color, which one I'm gonna use in this palette, it's this beautiful light gold, like peachy color. And I actually have concealer brush from Chanel, and I'm gonna use this brush to apply this color, and I'm gonna apply on my low eyelid, and I'm just gonna push a little bit high this color. Looks really natural. Again, after 40 you want to use makeup, but you want your makeup look like makeup no makeup. Again, you can see how we apply on my lower lid. We went a little bit higher, and it's already one color. Just give me nice beautiful pop, very natural. To me it's like mascara, you don't need anything. I have just only one eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use my little bit finger, and we're gonna use this color. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on center of my lid, and I pushing this eyeshadow a little bit up. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful bronze color, and I'm just applying above first color which one we use, but not all the way to my brow, but very close. I basically leave in little bit space, little bit like lighter color right here. Same color, I'm gonna apply a little bit more in my brush, and I'm gonna use underneath to make my eye a little bigger. And it looks really soft and natural. We have with you so far two colors. We have this color and we have this color, and it looks so natural. It's a great palette if you traveling or you want just blush, eyeshadow all in once. It's right here. Remember, it's limited edition product. I will list it below. And if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream. And now, you know what, let's use this beautiful orange color. This orange color I'm going to apply a little bit right here on the corner, and I will push it up. I apply a couple more times to build color. Again, it's in the corner, and then I apply a little bit higher. Where's my suckle area? Right here, this is its suckle area. I apply above. I feel in your bone. My bone is right here, and basically this is where I apply this color. And now I'm gonna use again same brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful like a burgundy color. This color I'm gonna apply, you can see like just straight right here. You see, straight, and I'm just layering this color, and I pushing this color up. Okay, right here it's my darker color. You can see I layering just my brush very straight, right? This is its corner on my brows, and I'm just gonna slightly push, lift this product. It's very pretty, very natural. I do like this. This is like will be perfect summer palette. Today I'm going to concert with my husband, and we're gonna do extra step. I'm gonna use Chanel waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply between my lashes. Then I'm gonna use this product. It's by brand NYX, and it's a glitter primer. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my eyelid on center, and I want sparkles, and of course I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown sparkles. It's my favorite sparkles. I'm lifting my eye a little bit, and again I apply this waterproof eyeliner very close to my lashes. And you know what? Let's put this same eyeliner, black eyeliner, on my waterline on the bottom. Because I put black eyeliner on my waterline and my eyes looks a little bit smaller. To make bigger, I have a small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna apply underneath, and then I'm gonna get a bigger blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend. But now you can see from natural look, you can turn this look to a dramatic or a little bit more, I'll say, intense. Now I apply a little bit glitter glue. And same finger I'm gonna use for this beautiful sparkles. Oh, it's so pretty. Now let's use liquid eyeliner. Are you ready? Because I'm going to contour, I'm gonna use a waterproof mascara, very little on my lashes, and underneath I'm gonna use this limited edition mascara. I'm gonna use on the bottom of my lashes. Look at this color. For contour it's perfect. For everyday, I'm not sure. You make your decision. And now I'm gonna put false lashes. I will be right back. Lashes, it's done. And you know what? After I use this mascara, look in the big mirror, I'm talking about burgundy mascara, I feel I look a little bit sick. And I add in the bottom on top black mascara. And we're almost done. I'm gonna use this lip color from Chanel, and it's number 176, Darling Red. It's gonna stay all night, not move. And girls, remember my gift giveaway. Yes, all what you need to do is comments below, subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, share any of my posts, and just tag me, and I will announce one of you is a winner. It is free shipping. You must live in United States. Again, this is so pretty. Wow. Voila, my makeup is done. You can see lipstick on my lips, not on my head. I can go party. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style, and love you more than ice cream. And remember, one of you will win these beautiful hair pieces.